Hi there and welcome to another episode of Timmy Time. This is now vlog 91 and today's date is April the 16th 2021. I started this vlog originally to show you about the cancer, but I'm going to combine it, this one, because there's only a little bit of footage here, combine it with building of a dream home in the Philippines, which is a vlog on the house we've been building. Yeah, so the first video you're going to see is obviously them bringing the equipment into the house. I think you may have seen this on the last vlog, but I'm just going to recap on that and show you that. And you'll see there, but they've brought the equipment into the house now, and they're starting to secure the skeleton and the framework to the walls. So I'll get on to that, and you can see that part, and then I'll show you the second part where they're actually fixing it to the walls and making the adjustments. Okay, enjoy.
9.
Yeah, as you can see there, the cupboards are now into the house, and we've got the top cupboards to come in yet. We're going to do the bottom ones first. We've now fixed them to the wall, got them in the right position, and then they're going to put the granite worktop in place, cut round that for the sink as well to get the sink installed, and then they'll get on with the next part. Okay, enjoy that vlog, guys. Yeah, as you can see there now on this next part, what it is one of the cousins is coming over and he's going to start doing the tiling underneath the kitchen units. Now the framework was made, and I don't think they allowed the gap or an extension at the back to sit so the actual worktop sits level. I thought they would have allowed for that, but they didn't, and rather than put blocks underneath the feet at the back, we're going to tile right back to the back wall. So that's what Noi, her cousin, or one of the cousins, is doing. And he's going to lay the tiles. He started laying them today, and then hopefully he should be finished by tomorrow, so the rest of the kitchen units can be secured into place and they can start putting in the drawers and the worktop. Okay, guys, so that's the next video you'll see. As you can see there, guys, the tiles have been installed now, or halfway installed. They're going to finish off cementing the tiles what are in place at the moment, and then on Monday morning hopefully the rest of the kitchen should come over and they'll start doing the granite worktops, and the sink unit should be cut out ready for plumbing that up. A little bit touching now on the cancer side of things. I had some more work done this morning, radiotherapy, but I also got informed yesterday because I'd lost quite a bit of weight, and not bodily weight. I'm still hovering around 14 stone, or just under 14 stone. I think I weighed myself this morning and it was 13 stone 12. So I'm not that far out of 14 stone, but they did say to me, because I've lost it in my face, the actual what they call the shield or the mask, it doesn't fit properly, and when they're lining up lasers, because I've lost weight in my neck, my face, it doesn't hit the right spot. So I spoke to the consultant yesterday and she said the treatment's going really well, and the lymph nodes have more or less completely gone down now. I think this one is just slightly raised. She had a good feel and a poke around, but she said the treatment is really working, and I'm responding really well to the treatment, so I was quite pleased about that. Obviously the side effects still come, the deafness, things like that. Still get the sore throat, raging throat, and like you've been sniffing sand, your eyes are dry, your nose is dry, your mouth's like a parrot's cage. But the main thing is the treatment's working. It's reducing the lymph nodes which contain the cancer, and obviously you can't see behind the nose, but I'm pretty sure if it's working there, it should be working there. But that's the reason why they have to adjust the mask, so they can aim it and get the right areas. You know, it's getting a little bit tenderish there and dry, so no doubt I'll get the sunburn that you're supposed to get. But the main thing is the treatment seems to be working, and the cancer's responding really well, as in it should be getting smaller and disappearing. I'm halfway through my treatment now, so hopefully by the end of the last 3 weeks, and I've got one more dose of chemotherapy on Monday, that's my last dose of chemotherapy, and then obviously the 3 weeks left of radiotherapy. Then I have to wait 3 months to find out if the cancer's gone, or they think it's gone, or it's worked. That's going to be the longest 3 months I think you ever have to wait. But so you've got to, no pain no gain, you've got to take the treatment and the crap that comes with it to get the cure. So going away from cancer now, I won't talk any more about that, but again about the house. We've got 3 hens and a rooster now, and we've got 1 egg laid this morning, so that's a good bit of news. At least the chickens are breeding. So I told them not to eat the egg and try and keep it as warm as possible. Apparently in the Philippines the eggs don't sit on the chickens all day like they do here because it's so warm. But yeah, hopefully we can get some more chicks and make our farm a little bit bigger, and start having some more hens and some more chicks. It's a vicious circle, it just keeps going round and round, like rabbits, aren't they, but they're chickens. But hey ho guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog today, and don't forget, stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget hands, face, space, and save the human race. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. And I'm sorry this video is mixed up with cancer and building our dream home in the Philippines, but I didn't think there was enough footage here to make a full video. Yeah, so hopefully I can get the footage for on Monday of the rest of the kitchen going in, and you can follow that journey of the kitchen being installed, which should be quite interesting. All right guys, stay safe, take care, hands, face, space, and we'll catch you on the next vlog. All right, take care, bye bye.